So like I said, I see you in this video, and this is the Erbuaer Eps800. It's a slightly different spray in that it's not airless. It will use air and pump it through a reservoir here. So this is going to be a totally different setup to what the airless sprayer is. But we will do the unboxing video on this now, and we'll get it set up and get it used as well. Because time is running out. I've lost a lot of time this morning on this job doing this video about the previous sprayer, and obviously now we need to crack on with this one now. So come on, let's get it opened. So here we go, the Eps800 800 watt paint sprayer. Now on the box it does 1000 ml min max, 1000 ml paint pot on it. It's quick fill. It comes with some accessories as well, which includes a paint stirrer by the looks of it. It's got a cleaning brush, a bottle to clean out the thing, don't know what that is, and some sort of funnel thing there. But we'll get this open now. I reckon that this will be like a plug and play. So there's a box of tricks here. Get this opened. Oh, so these are just the bits and pieces, the wheels. These are the wheels then. And there we go, there's the accessories. Oh, that is the paint nozzle. Oh, that'll be too dilute. Yeah, so here we go, the instructions. Got a booklet of instructions. And we'll move these out of the way now. Move the box out of the way. So there you can see the paint sprayer. This is the actual spray gun. Quite bulky. The paint pot will unscrew there. Now sometimes on paint sprays this is directional, well this one is not, so it's also got, so that's so you can fill it without having to remove the pump. So if you're using the same colour you'll be able to use that. You've got your different spray patterns up top. You should be able to move the nozzle around, so that will effectively spray for up and down and horizontal like that. It's also got the variable speed at the back of the trigger there. What that is doing is making it so the trigger doesn't go as far back so that will obviously let the flow come through a bit slower, more you do it. But that's something you test with the paint. You have a piece of cardboard here. Nice transporting handle. So what you need to do is attach the feet. A quick look at the instruction booklet. There we go. Instruction booklet is telling us what to do. fairly straightforward, I think. We'll just click in. So, one. Right. Click in. There we go. The feet just click in. Nothing major like that. And there we go. So this obviously comes with a 13 amp plug. We're in the UK, and as usual Erbuaer have a 3 metre cord on. That's one of the things along with that Erbuaer, they do put plenty wire on. Here we have the hose, which conveniently wraps around the body of the motor. So you can just basically unravel this. And one end will attach in there. That one. And the other end will attach there. It should give a nice secure hold. Can now remove that, don't really need that. You'll notice it's got a hook on it as well. That'll probably come in handy if you're working at height. So yeah, that's the Erbuaer spray system. So what we're going to do is going to load it up with some paint now and see if it works. So I've loaded the can up now with paint. I've watered it down. It will depend on what you're using. We're just using a silk emulsion, so I've watered it down by about 20%. You will know if it's right or not by how your sprayer will spray it once you start using it. But to switch this thing on is you press this button here and it will turn it on, and to adjust the spray pressure it's min, max at that side, and again this settings on the actual spray gun. But what we'll do now is just look at the wall here, is I have set up what I will call the blackboard to show you what happens when you just spray it. So move the camera around, see if we can get a good angle of spray. Whenever you do any spraying, please use a dust mask, quality mask or spraying, because even though the spray might be water based or whatever, you still get particles in your lungs, and you know you can damage your lungs just by not protecting yourself. So it's important to wear a mask as I'm doing now.